Hello YouTube, this is how to add a Metro PCS tethering for free. You go to connections, then in connections you go to mobile networks. Inside mobile networks you go to AP access point name. Here you create a new IPN adding, and you have to post the video and write down this information. On name you write whatever you want. APN you have to write fast, whatever is said there. MMSC you have to write down the address there. All that. The most important part is where you get on APN type. You have to make sure that it says don at the end, separated by a comma. So after that, you select the APN as your default APN and go back. Make sure you select the new APN and go back, go back, go back, and go back. After that, you go to AP toy and download foxfikey. Foxfikey has some bugs on the crack in the internet, so you have to make sure it's the same version. You download the 2.19 version and the foxfikey supporting PDA-net one that something. You pause the video and download the same version I'm downloading. After that, go to Play Store and download the package disable. After you install the package disable pro, you um, you can download it from I think it pays a couple of dollars, but you can download it from APToy also. After you download a package disable without root, you go and disable this thing. Pause the video and disable these applications. It will ask you to install a program that is called PDP, and it will create a certificate that will allow the device to use some permission. After you reboot the device, it will have access to everything. Disable these programs that I'm showing here. Pause the video if you need. After you disable those, the disables package are the one with the check mark. After you disable them, you should be good to go. Run the first key. It will show that it's not a full version, and as you can see here, it shows it's not a full version. To solve this, you go to the top, set on airplane mode, turn on, and then go and run the foxfikey. It should give you the full version unlocked. Then you remove the airplane mode and rename the hotspot with the name you want, set a password or whatever you want, and turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. After you do that, it will give you After you turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, it will give you the web proxies. That the proxy you have to enter on the computer or the other device you're using to connect. Make sure you have high tethering selected in the foxfikey because it won't work. As you can see now, my speed, strange that I got a 0.08 speed, but now I have a good speed. So to go, you go to settings. I'm using Chrome. Sorry for everyone who doesn't use Chrome. Go to the end and go to advanced options. Advanced option at the end. Sorry, I had a little bit trouble there. And then you go to open proxy settings. In proxy settings, you go to LAN settings and make sure the number is the same that the cell phone told you to write. Click the check mark and write that IP address and the port right. Then click OK, click OK again. And now if you checked the high tethering on the foxfikey, you have to make sure you restarted the phone after you disabled the package I said at earlier. It should work. Refresh. In my case, I forgot to add the proxy settings. Here hide your tether usage. You have to check that and make sure the proxy is working. After that, it should work fine. Let's check. This is my laptop. I'm trying to start. This is my test, and the result is a perfect process. 15 megs on my son is very good. So this is how you do it. After that, you can see I have the full access to the unlimited data that I bought, and the tethering is working correctly. This is a must you have to do. You have to go to settings, applications, and set up the foxfikey for uh, to not be disabled when it's on background. For that, you go to setting, apps. There you go to it's taking a while to load, but after that you go to foxfikey and make sure after you click it on mobile data, that both allow background data usage and allow app while data saver is on are enabled. After that, you should be good to go. That's all. I hope I help you. If you like the video, give it a like. I hope it help you. As I spent a lot of time investigating how to solve it. Goodbye.